Are you struggling with fever, dengue, malaria, typhoid, etc.? If yes, watch continue. Fever can be controlled in a natural way with Fevex. Presenting Fevex, an ayurvedic syrup for fever, dengue, malaria, typhoid, etc. It is made with Sehdevi, Chirayata, Giloy, Satona, Kutki, papita padra, choti people, etc. It helps in all kind of fever. It works faster in malaria and also can be taken during fever. It is approved and manufactured in GMP certified unit. Special features: made with natural herbs, no side effects, also can be taken by kids. Dosage: 10 ml to 20 ml 3 times in a day after meal or as directed by the physician. To order our Fevex, please call or WhatsApp us on 7668500260 or mail us on devsonpharma@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon.